Alright. New video. Got the fan going. It's hot. It's crap in here. I got the box back in. So this it's got to get trimmed out a little bit more to fit those. These fit just fine. Ouch. I guess I can go ahead and test fit those, but it looks like how the basket is. It should slide in. You see how that's slimmed and this sticks out and go in. So I think those gonna fit. I haven't decided which pair I want to go with first. I might go there. No, these still gotta get loosened up a little bit, but these is loosened up just a tiny bit. Then should go in here. I got the amp mounted DC 9K. I got my new 4-channel. I got the board right there, which I should have waited. So I can put it up behind this. The board, at least it fits. So it's got to screw it down. I need some fans in here, but I do got these vents I can turn towards the amp. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. I gotta find my extra wire. I took those out. Yeah, I do need to take a shot back to the inside. That's what I'm working on. Alright, I had to. Oop, don't drop. Grab me a pillow. You sit on. This stuff was uncomfortable. I'm still gonna get my. Trying to get my lights on back here. Alright, got it mounted. Now, see, I got this side raised. I just gotta hold this side up and screw it in. I couldn't do it before. And I'm sitting on these dang bars, so I just gotta go about right there. Make sure that's out the way. But right there, put my screw on the drill. Take one of these. Oh wow, it's a damn screw right there. I can't do that side. I can do this side. Oh, it don't go nowhere. Looks crooked, don't it? I'm thinking, but this side can go up a little bit higher. there was a head. Let's see if I can. This kind of. There we go. I can't see. Finally got it. Okay. Oh. Now I can start wiring this stuff up. So, let me do that. So I was thinking, so remember I said I need a gasket, right? Got a 15 right here with a gasket on it. Let me see if it fits. Try to keep up with everything. You know I need these. So this is behind me. This in there. This up there. This. What else is over here? What else is in here? Oh, that's bent. I don't want no bent screws. Let me get this gasket off. See if it'll fit. Let's see if it fits. Gotta make sure the hose line up. It's looking like so. 4. I don't know, guys. Let's do it. This way. Nice. It's on there. I just gotta line the hose up. Yeah. Got it on there. I'll see if it fits. All right. First sub going in. Oops, something's stabbing the mess out of me. With a nail. Make sure it's nothing on here. First Xmaxx is, like I said, I haven't tested these yet, so I don't know if these fit or not. So. Good. I need something to no. Too big. Just a little. Let me see something. Yeah. Man. Yep. Too big. Dang. Oh well. Sundown it is. Unless I just wait until tomorrow and have a dude route this out. So dang it. Too big. I can see. Oops. let me figure out what I'm gonna do. So this is pretty much it until tomorrow. Used some brackets Sam gave me. Actually got the room, my 4 channels hooked back up. This is my ground wire. That's cool. Ain't no power wire nowhere. These two is coming from the front. Yep, mount it all up. That's pretty much it for right now until tomorrow. Let's leave my truck in the garage. So I went and got a wash yesterday and moved the stuff out the way and put my truck in the garage, and later that evening it started pouring down rain. I'm like, oh, thank God. So I'm gonna leave this out here. Make sure I got everything. Like I said, figured God didn't buy the amp. He had got another one from the pawn shop from Andy Pawn. Thing was Phoenix Gold, 400.4. Double the power, double the price. How you doing with that? No biggie. Yeah, grab my fan. Catch y'all tomorrow. Get some light. Actually, just do. I need to stop. I need to be more careful pulling my truck in and out the garage. So I'm doing this. Did some of this yesterday. It's actually right here. It came, I got it like this. I got it from the dealership, it was already like that. So I did this. Should come right off, but kinda probably can see it if I get a good angle right here. It's cool. Didn't realize it was raining. It's supposed to stop here now by the iron, but not bad. About to go back up to Indy Pine. Supposed to be meeting somebody up there to sell that 4 channel. Yeah, I guess later today, Damien is gonna take a router to my speaker box. That way, my DCs and my American bass will fit. My sundowns fit just fine. So I'm gonna have to take one of each. That way I'll make sure it all fits just fine. So I got that planned today, and that's pretty much it for right now. Still got this. So I was gonna post it for sale, but you know, I need a small amp, I would say, on here. So I got the 12K, got the 3500, and I got the 9K in the truck already. I sold the Sound Digital, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me go. So let's pull this out the garage. I got the unlimited garage, so I should be fine. The amp is sold. Same guy who bought my I had some scars. I think they was the ZVX or the ZVX, yeah, because I had sold all the VVX. It's gonna fly around this corner. The Indy Pond's closed because they power's out. Damn, I can't go that way. That's an accident right there. The lights out right here. Yeah, same guy who bought my sub, so they still there. Oh, they gone. The lights off though. I'm not gonna go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, I need to go this way because I need to go to the bank. So I'm gonna go this way. Put this money in the bank. Yeah, that's gone. My market sold, so.
Might need to get the 45 out of that shit. Definitely need the 45.
Oh, yeah. That's good. FedEx.
Boy sounded rough.
Oh.
Might just go a little bit deeper with this. So,
Okay. Ah, perfect.
nope.
Nope.
45.
Oh,
A little bit of a gap there.
Yeah, it's on this side as well.
Yep. Just trying not. That's it. Yep. Here she goes. Oh, shit.
Flathead.
Yep.
Plastic bag.
Is it the husky bag?
Yep.
Don't see one in there. Unless I was low. sucks having to round over boxes and shit like that in the garage because it gets dusty.
Yeah, I got where to go. I got this shop back. How much I owe you?
God, so you're basically on the way home.
Look at this thing is.
Stairs to the garden. Spares?
Oh no, that was in here at Slam.
Ah, okay.
Yep.
So you just swapped out whatever you wanted here?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, I don't blame you. There's like a bobber in there, and if it flips up, it sucks itself to the... Oh, you put them in?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet.
Well, yeah, the speakers, yeah, but not the crossover.
Okay.
Like it's double side tape.
Oh, what you gonna say? Something else, bro? Something over. I get it for free for work.
Oh, nice.
It's the good shit, too. Will it fit? Will those fit with the box in the truck?
Oh,
Like being able to load them?
yeah. I mean, I might have to tilt it out a little bit.
Yeah. Maybe get you like a stand or something. Okay, or we could toss it up in here now.
I mean, we can. I know I dropped that out. Trying to, I had that little amp bolted on the back, and it fell lucky. It fell flat.
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool. Arms in the way. Okay, now. Oop. Yep.
You have it like right there.
Yeah.
Brick or something right there. Something. I get nervous.
Oh,
Especially doing it by myself, man.
Right.
I've had so many times where I've like dropped a sub or some shit.
that shit. Xmaxx. Oh yeah. Okay. Fuck.
That's not the amp you had in here before, is it?
No, I had that fixed.
The Star.
No, that.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody had Slam or?
No, just the last time I came over.
Yeah, I had the Star in there. Yeah, that one. Yeah. That Slam, I had that fixed. Some of them in there.
You say you need that one fixed, right?
No, that was fine. It was that Suburban that
Oh, yeah, the
twisted, yeah.
Yeah, I went to the audio lot down south. Every weekend they meet out there. And
Down south.
in Greenwood. In Greenwood, Beach Road area, there's like a storage unit. They meet at the parking lot. Yeah. I went down there last week because Dylan Hervin, he was trading me a Xmaxx for some equipment I had.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I was talking to Chris. I also was meeting up with Chris Gordon to sell him my Crescendo. Because I was going to get it fixed, but I don't have the time to focus on my car, focusing on everybody else's stuff.
Right.
I told him I'll just sell it, but I told him about how you needed your amp fixed.
Yeah.
And he was like, man, I don't really like messing with those big boards because they're harder to fix.
My arm might go off.
Your alarm?
That stuck my arm into my window.
Oh, is it like sensitive like that or something?
Not. I ain't go too deep. But yeah, what were you saying?
He's like, yeah, I just don't like messing with those big boards. And I was like, yeah, he's got two of the, aren't they 8.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, he's got two of the 8.5s. He was like, are they black and white? I was like, yeah. He's like, those are my old amps. And I was like, ah. I was like, so you know all about them, man.
Yeah.
You know what's going on with them.
Congratulations. These big son of a guns do. I need to find somebody with a meter.
I think I know somebody that has one. Tim Gentry. You know him? He's like the Xmaxx plug or whatever.
Yeah, I know of him.
Know of him, yeah. He's got a meter and I borrowed it once. So
okay.
I might be able to hit him up and smash that for him.
Yes, I want to meter all three of these.
See which is the loudest.
Yeah. Types of dirt bike, 4-wheelers, go-karts and shit over there.
I would be that house, but I got HOA. They don't allow me to do nothing.
Man. Yeah, I was, so I had my cousin follow me in my Tahoe, and she said there was a guy out there walking his dog, and he was mean mugging the shit out of me.
Yeah.
I was like, God damn. He said, it must like I don't belong over here in this type of vehicle. I was like, Jesus.
Nah, I'm surprised my HOA ain't said nothing because I done had lowriders, fucking all kinds of slammed cars, like your truck, my cars. I just got that work truck that was in the driveway. Like, I got all kinds of cars coming in and out.
So who's it? Your neighbors or just people just drive through checking on people's houses?
I think it's people in the neighborhood. It's not like an actual company that's the HOA. It's people in the neighborhood. So if they have a vendetta towards somebody, they're reporting and reporting and reporting.
Gasket's too small. It doesn't matter really.
What is it?
Gasket.
Not really. I would put it on. Take
this off that scar. This went to that scar, so I don't know if it.
You gotta get that back piece around it. Screw holes lined up anyway.
Right. See, that's just crazy. So, my DC, I had it.
This one?
Yeah, I had dropped, like how we just did. I did the same thing and bust the basket.
Really?
Yeah.
On the DC?
Yeah, I just barely dropped it and it did that.
Did it?
Oh, ain't that some shit? That's one.
I always thought DC had some pretty strong baskets too. Oh, dual twos? Dual one?
Yeah, I should be at one on.
You wire in series?
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say, you wire in parallel, you're gonna be at like quarter on.
Right, yeah, that's what it is, right?
If these are dual ones and you wire it parallel, so probably.
Alright, got freaking sawdust everywhere, got to clean up, but got the subs in. I just gotta screw them down, then hook up. This shouldn't go nowhere. Box shouldn't go nowhere. I need to hook everything back up. But let me finish screwing down this these subs real quick. And yes, one got a gasket and one don't, so I just have to order it because one I had took off that scar, really didn't fit, so. so good. Now I go back over here. The screws I'm using is these. It's a little bit more thicker than the little drywall screws. As you can see, I had times where the head would break off. All right. Woo! Got him in there. That look glare. First, to get the test on here, I just gotta find somebody with a meter. Then I can make my way over. Then probably get these about a good week and probably send them to the moon. Clean up my mess. Right now I gotta hook everything back up. Hopefully my Allen wrenches will still help. I don't get everything I need. Alright. I had to find my set of Allen wrench. Remember where I set them at? I got them. They're down there in my shirt. I got my voltmeter. Got my little wrench. Let's see what these are at. Well, no. Okay. These come in handy. All right. So I know U goes here. Right, positives down the bottom. That's that. Here's for my 4-channel. Boom. That's that. I might need my wire. That should be fine. Too big. I'm gonna need my phone for this. I remember which was what. Let's see if I can remember. Purple, green, gray, white. So we got what's sides positive. Here. So I got negative on the outside. So let's see. I need green, purple green. So I need purple black, which is this one. Be on that side doing this. Okay. Got that one. That one. That one. That go to? She's about to be loud. Gray, white, okay. This is my first time trying these Xmaxx. I had the XXLs, I had the XRs, I had the RX, I had the HDs, I had the Intense, little prototype, I had Godfather, and now I had the series, Signature series. So I pretty much had every American base except the DX and the XOs. I ain't go that route. I just went straight to the big dogs. Then in the future, I do want to try the Kings and Godzillas. But that's gonna be further down the line. I'll probably sell these Xmaxx and use that money towards them. So I'm keeping my sundowns, I'm keeping my DCs. I'll probably keep that one, recon it, get a new basket for it. That's that. Make sure positive is right here. This thing around. I'm trying to remember. One of my amps had three, I think it had two remote wire. I think it was that VFL. No, it was that dang Sound Digital that had two remote wire. That's the remote wire. The amp is hooked back up. My 4-channel at least. Now that's what came off back. Okay. Only thing I got left to do now is hook up power and ground. So where's my, what I do with them? All right, I had to go find some more wire. I need some zip ties. Yes, I got all this stuff going up in here. Let me figure out what I did with my zip ties. I don't know what I did with them, honestly. Just to make this somewhat neat, at least. I got the ground. I was gonna do one more ground. This is positive, positive, positive. And it's ready to go. So let me find my zip ties. All right, so I gotta add this ground to the amp because it keeps cutting off. But it's too short. So it's fine. It keeps cutting off. So this is gonna be tough. This is all I got. So this wire, I don't think that's long enough. It might be, it looks like it. Let me see. It's about the same. So yeah, I'll probably do that tomorrow if I get off early enough. Go get some longer wire, then find somebody to help me move this, lift it, because the bolts is underneath. So Yeah, that's what I'm stuck with for right now, but it plays. And I'll let y'all hear it in the next video, so yeah, stay tuned.